Hi, this is John Schneider, from Smallville to Jonathan Kent, and also Dukes of Hazzard. Oh, yeah, that's me. I wanted to tell you a little bit about my friend Brian. He has formed an amazing band called Atlas. Now, Atlas is Ryan and Dave, and of course, Brian. They are from Tesco Phone Shop. They've released a fantastic CD for Tesco's charity partnership. So all of the profits from buying the CD, all of them, go to Diabetes UK and the British Heart Foundation. Good stuff. The songs they're covering are, of course, your song and Let Me Entertain You. So what are you waiting for? Grab your copy today and help two great causes. And who knows, we might even get the boys from Atlas onto the charts. That would be absolutely fantastic. Goodbye from me, John Schneider, Dukes of Hazzard, Smallville. And by the way, my son went to LAMDA, the London Academy of Music and Dramatic Arts, right there in your backyard. Now, our guys from Atlas are from the Mansfield Chesterfield Road phone shop. So do yourself a favor. Get the CD, go down there to Mansfield Chesterfield Road phone shop and say hello. Show them your support. Okay, John Schneider saying, you take care. Bye-bye. And, of course, mind the gap.